How to create a new Apple ID. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brand new Apple ID. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open up your settings on your iPhone. Tap on your name right at the top. You'll see your current Apple ID and the email address linked to it. Now remember, you can only have one Apple ID per email address, so make sure you're going to use a completely different email this time. Once that's sorted, go ahead and open a web browser. It doesn't matter if it's Safari, Chrome, or anything else. Type in appleid.apple.com. It might ask you to log in, but don't do that. Instead, look at the top right corner. Tap on the drop-down. Select Create Your Apple ID. Now you'll see a form where you'll need to enter your first name, last name, country, date of birth, and the new email address that you want to use as your Apple ID. Then set a password and add your phone number. You'll also need to type in the characters you see at the bottom for verification. And after that, just hit Continue. Once you've gone through all those steps, you've officially created a new Apple ID. Now, if you want to start using it on your iPhone, just go back to your settings, tap on your current Apple ID at the top, scroll down, and hit Sign Out. After that, enter your new Apple ID and password to sign in with the new account. And that's it. You've got yourself a brand new Apple ID. And if this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.